Whether you're fasting or trying to lose some weight or even maintain the weight you have, here is a very yummy recipe that will help you with that. So I have some vegetables you're going to be using to make couscous salad. Yeah, we have some bell pepper, some chili tomatoes, and let's go. Yeah, this is the brand of couscous I'm using. So I'm just going to measure a cup of the couscous into a bowl. Sprinkle a little salt and then add some boiled water to it. Oh yeah, happy new year, yeyilotvffl fam. Welcome to 2025. So I've added some salt and then the boiled water. I will just pour it in, mix it lightly, and then cover it so it can soak up. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes and it's ready. If you want, you can sprinkle a little oil, but I don't think that is really necessary for me. So yeah, do you if you want to sprinkle a little bit of oil, but it's fine even if you don't. I'll go ahead now to chop my vegetables while the couscous soak up the water. As you can see, I measured 1 cup of water for 1 cup of couscous. So you just use that measurement and you're good. You don't want the couscous soggy. Through the month, I will bring your way healthy recipes that will help you through the fasting season, or recipes that can even help you maintain the weight or lose some weight. I mean, it's January, a lot of us have weight loss goals. Fit farm, all of us are fit farm. So, yeah, I want to create some recipes that will help us on that journey. So, if you're excited about this, just drop a love emoji in the comment section so that I'll know that I have people looking forward to these recipes. I've been working a lot on healthy recipes, so I'm going to be sharing a couple of them this month as God gives me grace. So stay tuned. Turn on your post notification if you haven't, and if you're new to the channel, you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to Yayilo TV. Here we explore delicacies of food, and we can't wait to have you join the family. Yeah, so that we can explore delicacies of food together, live healthy, all that good stuff. So I'm trying to cut my vegetables into the same size as much as possible so the salad looks presentable. It looks beautiful. I mean, you eat your eyes first. I mean, for me, that's it. I see it and I'm attracted to it. So yeah, you want to make your food really presentable by cutting your vegetables into the same size as much as possible. The carrot has been chopped, cucumber has been chopped, the bell peppers. Now we're chopping the cherry tomatoes, and here we have some lettuce, which we're as well going to chop into. I mean, we'll try to chop into tiny bits so it can blend in with other vegetables. And the last vegetable I have here is some cabbage. I'm also chopping it into tiny bits. A few moments later, our couscous has soaked in nicely. You just need to use a fork to fluff it this way, and it's ready to be combined with the chopped vegetables. We have carrots, cucumber, lettuce, cabbage, yellow red bell pepper, green, red, and cherry tomatoes. Let's go to the fun parts where we combine all of them. This is just a cup of couscous. See how much is looking. This couscous salad is currently the fave. It's currently our fave at the moment. I've been making this back to back to back, and I'm like, why haven't I shared this with my Yellow TV fam? Anyways, I'm here now sharing it with you. Look at how the bowl is looking beautiful and colorful, healthy. I mean, what more do you want to be eating? If you want to step up your healthy eating habits, what more than nicely chopped vegetables like this? Okay, I'll just proceed now to mix it. Mix everything nicely to it's nicely combined. After mixing, I'm just going to take out some into a separate bowl. Usually, when I make my salad, I don't mix everything at once with my cream or my mayonnaise. I like to take out some, mix and eat per time. So I'm just going to use a clean thing to cover up this and refrigerate it for later. And for my dressing, I have some homemade mayonnaise. Check out the recipe on the channel. I've added some vinegar. You can add lemon to it. I've added some black pepper and dried parsley flakes. I'm just giving everything a good mix, and then I'll add that to the bowl of the couscous salad. Look at how yummy and delicious this is looking already. Yummy, delicious, healthy. I mean, all that good stuff. So to serve this, I'm gonna serve it with some grilled chicken breast. If you want, you can use some hard-boiled eggs to accompany this. Trust me, this will keep you full for a longer time and to keep you feeling full such that you won't have to eat within a short time. Now it is served. Yummy, delicious. Just look at the grilled chicken. Serve it however you want it and enjoy. Okay, let me know, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and you like to see more content like this. Don't forget to drop a love emoji if you're on this game of healthy recipes so that I can post more to help us through this period. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and blessed. Bye.